Hello foodies, as you can see this cake is so beautiful, so bright, colorful of bright colors and glitters also, because the person for whom I was making this cake loves bright colors and so glitters, so glittery. So for that I made this cake, and so let's begin with how to decorate the cake. So welcome to my channel Simply Suman, and make a loop of cello tape like this and put it on your turntable, and just the cello tape secure your cake board not to disperse from its center. So I'm taking vanilla cake, and this is a serrated knife or bread knife for cutting the cake in layers. You can cut the cake into 2 layers or 3 layers, so this is totally up to you, but today I am layering it in, just making it in 2 layers. So remove the upper portion because we want to get the even surface. So remove the above cake like this, and as you can see we can make this cake into 3 layers, but today I'm going to make in 2 layers. So again put knife on sides and notice the action which I am using the knife. This way you can cut the cake very easily. So our cake is cut into 2 portions, and these are the even portions, and I have already whipped the cream. And if you want all the instructions about the whipping cream, please let me know in the comment section. I can make that in next video. So I am using palette knife to decorate the cake. First apply some whipping cream on cake board like this, so that our cake attach to the board nicely. So now I am putting 1 layer of cake in the center of the board, and now I am going to apply some sugar syrup to make our cake moist. This is just half cup of water, and I have added 1 teaspoon sugar and just mixed it and apply properly all around. Make sure to soak the edges properly like this. You can use brush or spray bottle also for this method, this process. So now apply cream in this way, rotating your turntable, and just putting your palette knife very light hands. Now I am making it in mango flavors. You can use any kind of crush or any kind of flavor you want, but this is mango season and I'm using mango crush. So add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mango crush. You can use puree also, you can use fresh fruits also, you can use mango chunks right now at this stage. Now I'm putting next layer of the cake, and again soaking this with sugar syrup like this. Please make sure to soak the edges first and then apply sugar syrup evenly all around the cake. This will make your cake more moist and soft. Now in the first layer we add first cream and then crush, and now I am applying first crush and then cream. You can do both ways, this is up to you. Don't put crush till the edges. and apply the cream, and I'm trying to mix little bit with the crush and rotating like this. Make a smooth layer of cream on top of the cake. So now apply on the sides also properly using back and forth method. Try to finish your cake in as little time as possible, because the more time you take, your cake or your cream becomes drying out, and it will become then very tough to manage it with, to work with it. So try to finish it as little time as possible. So I am applying on sides and try to make even all over. So using palette knife I am doing this. So now I am using cake scraper to even the edge sides. So applying very little pressure and holding the scraper at an angle, 45-degree angle, and try to even the cake. So somewhere some cream is left and somewhere cream is extra there, so even the cake using some more cream and try to do a more finishing on it. So as you can see, somewhere cake cream is less, so I am applying another layer, and again using scraper I'm trying to make a finished sides. So I think now I have done. So remove the extra cream like this, holding your scraper on top and pushing your cream inwards. So make your cake edges sharp. So I think done. And now I am using comb scraper and making a design on it. If you would like to have it plain, you can have that also, and if you want some kind of design, you can make it like this. You can use fork also for this if you don't have comb scraper. So now I am using my palette knife and making a swirl design on upper side of the cake like this, holding a palette knife at an angle and just revolving around it from center to outwards. And as you can see, with little efforts we made a very beautiful cake design. Now I'm using a wet or a damp tissue paper and remove the extra cream which is somewhere on the cake board. So wipe out the extra cream on board to look cake board more appealing and more finished. So as you can see, now this is looking so beautiful. So remove all the extra cream like this, very slowly, without damaging the cake. And it's done. Now I have prepared two piping bags, one with neon blue and one with orange, and now I am going to make rosettes. I am using rosette nozzle, or this is also called as open star nozzle, and using this way you can make rosettes. So use your nozzle like this, just put in the center and swirl it around, and it's done. Now again I'm using the star nozzle, but this time we are going to make different kind of flowers. Just push your cream down and take it out. That's it. Just press a little and it's done. So with the same nozzle we can make different type of flowers. So creativity is all yours. You can do so many creative things using one nozzle only. As you can see, these little flowers are also looking very beautiful, and they are used to hide the spaces, the gaps between the rosettes. So make your cake even more beautiful. And now I am covering the base of the cake using the same nozzle, open star nozzle, and I am covering this to get a more finished look. Now as you can see, we are heading towards the finished product. So you can see what we are doing previously and now the final product. This is looking really nice. So make the base like this, and now I am using leaf nozzle and I am making leaves in between the flowers to make it more beautiful. For that I am using green leaf color. So make it like this, just push and slightly press in between and your leaf is done. So I am using silver balls to decorate my cake furthermore, taking it to the next level. So you can apply cake balls, sprinkles, sprays, whatever you like you can do. Right now I am decorating it with cake balls, silver cake balls, edible. These are edible silver balls because my client likes bright things, bright colors. So I am using bright. So as you can see, we did it like this. I'm using hand, but you can use tweezers to make it more comfortable, more convenient. And now I am using again silver glitter also to make it more glittery cake. So this is ready-made spray, so I am just spraying. This is so simple, you can use it like this. Just we use our perfumes or spray deodorants like this. This is as much easy, and you can buy it from cake shops, bakery shops. They are easily available in so many colors and so many different colors. So now you can see our cake is ready. Enjoy the cake, and if you have any query, please ask me the queries in my comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is Suman signing off. Bye.